So Mrs. Booth is going to complete this short sequence. She's going to look in Student Shared and then look for Flowol sounds and choose either Beep or Crib Mobile. Remember to keep that tick in the let the sound play before moving on. Choose yes to go down and no to go back to start. And a final loop back from the last sound to the top. And that should now beep whenever Mrs. Booth clicks on the square. Okay, so you should be able to pause and have some fun now with sounds. And when you come back to me, we're going to show you how to make your your program a lot more complex. Okay. Right, so if you've come back to me now, we're going to show you something called subroutines. Okay, so you're going to need to concentrate because this is now getting to be quite complex programming. Now, when we looked at the start lozenge earlier, we saw there were two other words that could have been put in it. So I'm going to ask Mrs. Booth to drag and place at the top of the next column a second start lozenge. But instead of putting start, she's going to put sub into it. And she's going to call this subroutine a name. And I'm going to say talk. Okay, so she's written the name of the subroutine, clicks OK, and this subroutine gets named sub talk. Sub is short for subroutine. Now it hasn't been written yet, and also we would need to call it from this first column. So we're going to delete this sound because that was unneeded now. So that's highlight and grey X away. And we're going to call, you'll notice a new symbol has now appeared on the left-hand toolbar. We're going to call the subroutine by placing it under the decision. So is the square on? The yes will now come down to the subroutine square on. You've got the white arrow. You need the black arrow.
Oops.
This does happen a lot. It's
a bit fiddly,
to say the least. So if we double click in that subroutine cell, we get sub-talk. Now we could make it repeat a number of times. We don't need to in this case, but we can click on talk, because that's the only one we've got, and say OK. So what it will do now is it will immediately jump from here to this new section of programming. Okay? Bear with us, it will make more sense once we've completed it. So sub-talk is the new program that we're going to write. So we want a sound output under sub-talk. So this time we're going to speak. We click on the speak and we're going to type in what the robot is going to say. So Mrs. Booth could type in a friendly welcoming. Now we must tick the box that says wait for the text to be spoken before moving on. And we can say OK. So now the subroutine talk will make the robot speak hello everyone. Now another rule of flowcharting is at the end of a subroutine we must have a stop. So we're now introducing you to all of the possibilities of using this lozenge. So the subroutine jumps, carries this out and stop. When it stops, it goes back to this cell. Now this cell has nowhere to go, so Miss Booth must finish it with either another stop or back to the start is better. So let's run through this manually now. The program begins, it asks if the square has been pressed, and if it's a yes, it comes down. If it's a no, it loops here endlessly, waiting for you to press the square. If it's a yes, it comes down to the subroutine talk. So it jumps, speaks hello everyone, and then jumps back.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone.
Perfect. Now let's show the students how to create another subroutine that was taken from a different So let's call this one blink. So our new subroutine called blink, and this is going to use the robot's ability to open and close its eyes.
So left eye on, and then delay. How many seconds do you recommend, Mr. Bridge?
Point one.
0.1.
Yeah.
Okay. And then left eye off.
Brilliant.
Further delay.
Yeah, excellent. All
0.1
good.
again.
Brilliant, yeah. Fiddly bit.
Oops.
Who's going to do that?
There we go. So you've got to take the first one and then the next one. Each one in turn, otherwise the line loops back.
And must finish with a...
It's a subroutine, so we're going to finish with a stop
Excellent.
and join that together.
Okay, now we need to introduce the possibility to jump to this subroutine in the main program strand. So we need to edit this main program by removing that loop back and add a new subroutine after the talk. So if we just drag that sub, place it underneath. Now, can I just introduce you now to the numbers here? If we want this blink to occur once, we would do nothing in the repeat. But if we want it to wink 10 times, we would say blink, put a number 10 in the repeat, and then say OK. So it would then carry out the subroutine blink 10 times before jumping back. So it's going to say hello everyone, and then give you a crafty wink.
So from there to there, and then from here back to the beginning.
Brilliant.
Okay, let's see if that works. So play. So when I click the square button.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone.
And 10 times with the blink.
Hello everyone.
So there's absolutely no way you can have more fun working from home doing a school lesson than this. So see what you can do, see who can be the most creative and have the most fun with the robot for this lesson.